All right, here it is. I haven't put my sign up yet, but the sign will go up right here. That will say Weld County Academy. And then this will be the entrance to my yard here, guys. It's early, man. It's early morning right now. Roll down that window. Now you see my two trailers there. I'll have the hooch over it. And see my rig parked out there next to my skid steer behind the steel racks here. And then you got this little room right here up top with all the windows. I call that the observation deck. That's kind of like, you know, just kind of look over the yard as fabrication's being done. And then this room right here, that's a small fabrication room. And then that room over there, that's a plasma room. And then the Connex that you guys see me had for years that I used to tag up back in the day when I was in brush, that's where all my tools and stuff is. And then we have this awning over here. And then I got, this is where the original boost will start right here. So we're gonna do 5 bay boost right in here, that's it. And then of course I got my school slash classroom slash podcast room that I'm doing right here, my office. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna conjoin them. We're gonna build a front right here and we're gonna make it look like one building, and we're gonna put the sign up, Weld County Academy. I'm very small. I'm not that big yet, but you can kind of see what's going on here. I added some windows into the trailer there. So yeah, I just kind of want to showcase it and show you guys where we're headed. That's just the beginning, you know. So I pull in here always early morning. I'm trying to just make way, you know, get started. So gotta fix the Angel. This Angel was actually given to me by my friend Ray. He just had it out there at his yard and the wing had fallen off, and then I told my son to weld it back on, but he didn't really weld it on like it needed to be. And I guess you guys know what kind of rods these are. They go on a tractor and they pull weeds out of the field. This was off some old farmer's yard, you know, and he just built this little Angel. I mean, look, it's even got a halo on it. I love it. So it was just donated to the school, so I call it the Guardian Angel. And so yeah, you can see here where I laid all my brick foundation. I'll go ahead and hop out and kind of show you guys. So I added a window here, added a window there, window down there, but then I also laid all this foundation here, and this took a lot of time. I'm not an Egyptian that can lay perfect stones like they did on the pyramids. I mean, those workers were incredible, but this was inspired by this, inspiration from it, okay? So yeah, then of course, you know, we'll have the whole deck back here with the patio and the umbrellas and the smoker. But yeah, man, it's kind of like where we're headed. You know, I still need to board all this and then do what I need to. Yeah, we're making way though. And then I wanted some good corner windows right here. So yeah, man, the gate that I built to kind of, you know, keep people out. It's just the beginning, guys. The beginning. The trailer was over there, but instead we moved this trailer over there. The outhouse is over there for right now. And then, you know, this is it, guys. This is the beginning. Weld County Academy. Welcome, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to get out here to start showcasing all this because I've been doing a lot. We've been making a lot happen. A lot is cracking. We just keep on moving. Let your light shine, baby.